Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is like mid-afternoon, like it's really afternoon. It's 2:13 and I am just now picking the camera up. Brantley just woke up from a nap and we are about to go get lunch because it's been a crazy morning. Brantley got so worn out playing outside and we had a late breakfast, so he is eating lunch after his nap today when usually it's snack time after nap time. But neither one of us has ate lunch, so we are about to go grab some Chick-fil-A real fast. And I have quite an afternoon planned. I have a lot of stuff that I want to get done today, and I may take Brantley to the pool, so lots is to come. Today is Monday and it is a super busy day, and it definitely feels like Monday, like no lie. Brantley insists that I pick him up and let him open the garage every time. Nope, you gotta go up some. He always got the light on. And then he goes to grab it. Brantley, do you have the keys?
Mom.
What? We're going to the car. We're going to the car, baby. Oh man, come on. I'll let you close it in the car. He's kind of outside playing this morning. Let's go get in the car. Come on.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
We're gonna go get some lunch. Say lunch. You want to eat? Kiss. I love you. What? You go get lunch? Say Chick-fil-A? You want to close the garage? Okay. Press the button. Is it hot? Here, press the button. Good job. I know it seems like in most videos I always eat Chick-fil-A, but actually I honestly haven't even been eating Chick-fil-A that much for quite a few reasons. So today is just like one of those days where I happen to be vlogging and eating Chick-fil-A in the same day. But honestly, I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A and I'm gonna eat for super cheap, and I'm about to order on curbside. So excuse my nails, like I need to get them done, but I just put it off because I hate going to the nail salon, and my eyebrows need wax too, but I don't know. But anyways, I got a free any of these, so I'm probably about to get the grilled sandwich, and then I am going to get a free fry, and then Brantley kids meal, and then I'm gonna order it through curbside. So I'm gonna eat for like $5. Can't beat that.
It's like half of me is missing, heaven knows it. That's all I wanna do.
Alright, so all my thousands of sauces, my fries, which of course I'm already eating some, Brantley's kids meal. I got Brantley's tea because he doesn't need a drink, he drinks water. Got Brantley an ice cream, and I got a cookie parfait. You wanna go home and eat? Okay, we're gonna go home. I'm eating lunch and I just get random text messages like this, and he just makes me so happy. I just love his random messages that he always sends me and that are so sweet. We love Dad, don't we? Ew, look at them ranch fingers. So we're about to go to the pool. Brantley didn't eat none of his nuggets. I keep wasting my money on food because all he will eat is fries when we eat out. Because your toddler go through stages where they will not eat meat. So I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator because Alec or Brittany will eat them later. So I'm about to go put our swimsuits on and get our pool stuff ready. You wanna go to the pool? I'm just wearing this regular one-piece bathing suit. Keeps everything in while Brittany is pulling all over me and ain't got no boobies falling out or anything. So it is kind of see-through right here where my stomach is and at the very top, but you can't see that. That doesn't work. That doesn't work. You're so cute.
Mom.
But I don't know why the hat's like that. Cut the light off in this playroom. Alright. I need the pool bag. I need the floaties. We need a beach towel. Watermelon. And I've already put sunscreen on Brittany and a diaper, so we should be good with that. Oh, we gotta get your sippy cup. Brittany, you already dropped your hat. Brittany's been going to bed with these books at night. And this used to be my favorite song when I was his age. And somebody happened to get this book for Brittany. And he loves it, and he loves that song. So I love that. Here's his water. Pick your hat up and go put that cup down. Okay? Go put the cup down. I got your cup. Come on. Alright, we got the beach bag, floaties, hat, cup, snack. I gotta get my phone that's charging, and I gotta go get a rubber band. Then we'll be ready to go. I almost forgot the most important part, which is the actual pool key to get in. I would have been mad. Alright. Mommy doesn't need that, baby. Future YouTuber. Alright, go put it back up. Good job. Off to the pool we go. I really hope that there's not like 20,000 people at the pool. Usually our neighborhood pool is not that crowded, so. This water bottle has a taste, like I don't like it. Like a legit taste to me for some reason. But it's hot and I'm thirsty. So, if y'all have not already checked out my video that was posted for Monday Motivation, telling you all about it, then please go check it out. I really hope that you guys like this new series that I'm doing with Monday Motivation. What, baby? Oh man, what? Okay, if I can back out of my driveway, it would be nice. There's this dude cutting grass behind me and he's watching me, and if somebody's watching me back out or something, like, I don't like it. He's like right behind me. Here, let's put this on you. You're in all green. Let's put your hat on you. Can mommy take a picture?
I get out.
Can mommy take a picture of you? Cheese! Onion. Onion. Say cheese and I'll let you in. Say cheese. You're not gonna say cheese, are you?
Out.
Okay. Is it full?
I don't know.
Can mommy let go of you? Can you do it? Can you do it? Ooh, you're by yourself. You. What? No. Go. Are you at the pool?
Baba. No, Baba. No, Baba. No, down. Hi. With a hat.
Shed a little light on me. Why'd you go? You leave me here all alone in the shadows. Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light on me. No one likes to get hurt. It's just something that we go through. I deserve to know the truth. How come you left me, you left me, you left me, you left me alone in the dark? Could you just shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me? Shed a little light, shed a little light, shed a little light on me. Why'd you go?
What? Yeah, it's a pool. Hey, Bradley, can we take a picture? Brantley. No baby. No baby. No baby. Alright guys, so we just got home. My stomach hurts so bad. We stayed at the pool for like 45 minutes though, but my stomach is hurting so bad and I cannot use a public bathroom. So I had to come home. And the whole time Brantley is in the back seat just going, oh man, like the whole time. They're all this way. Good job. Alright, let's shut the door. Good job. So I'm about to cook dinner and I look like a hot mess because of the pool, but I just threw some clothes on literally. Hair is still wet. Alright, so I'm about to make I know it's crazy because it's summer, like, so what I'm about to cook doesn't make sense. But I'm about to make this tomato soup. It is, you really can't see it, but 5-ingredient tomato soup. And it has carrot, onions, San Marzano tomatoes, if I said that right. Did I even say that right?
What?
And it has chicken broth, salt, and butter, which I usually just leave the salt out. Alright, so now, I've never cooked this before. I've really never cooked a homemade tomato soup, period. So, we got our carrots. And honestly, I forgot about the ice cream and the parfait. Oh, but with, with the tomato soup, I'm gonna make grilled cheeses. But first, I'm about to take a bite of this parfait.
Mom.
Just one little bite. You want a bite? You want a bite? I think this is smaller than I remember. It's so good. One bite? Alright. Really, mommy has to cook. Daddy's about to be home, okay? So mommy has to cook. Alright, first thing is first. We are going to add butter to the pan. Then we need to add onion, carrots, add tomatoes, and then chicken broth. Alright. These are the tomatoes that it called for. Right here. Always rinse the top of the pan first. Get a handy dandy knife cutting board. And I'm gonna wash my hands. You're being silly. You're so silly. Are you a silly boy? You're so silly. Mommy loves your little giggles. Alright, so the carrots and the tomatoes, the carrots and the onions are cooking. I'm about to add in the tomatoes and the chicken broth. And then I'm gonna let it boil, and then it's gonna simmer for 25 minutes. And then you're supposed to puree it all in a blender. So we'll see.
Bye-bye.
And then I'm gonna make grilled cheese with the soup. Hopefully Brantley and Alec will like it. I'm probably gonna save this parfait for Alec because we're not having no meat with dinner, and he doesn't like that kind of stuff. He doesn't like not having meat. Not that he's complained, but he's just happy as long as I cook. But I'm just nice like that, so I'll probably let him have it. Better off. All right, tomato soup is ready. How did that happen? No! 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 Why? I was even holding the top down. Brantley, what happened? It could be worse, I guess. Like, oh my goodness, y'all. I have to go get Alec. If y'all knew how my morning was, then y'all would know. Like, is it bedtime? Is it bedtime? I just poured some out and did it again with Alec in here, and the whole thing shot even more. It shot all over the floor, all over Alec, all in my hair, all over me, and it burnt because it's hot. And I was holding the top, so I don't even know how this happened. You can catch me cleaning tomato soup for days. I'm never cooking this again. It flew up here and everything, all over my white cabinets. Oh, Oh man, that's what I'm saying, Brittany. What in the world? I'm over it today.
Now I got 3rd-degree soup burns all over me.
It burnt my face and chest.
Yeah, but I was naked on those. It burnt me for real.
I was just trying to cook dinner for us.
I don't understand why the soup kept flying out.
You saw I didn't do anything wrong.
You ain't went home tied enough, I guess.
There's not, it just spews out. We need a new blender or something.
Yeah, something.
Oh, it's all in the freaking grout.
Oh, wipe out there. First time you burned me by soup.
It literally flew.
Yeah, literally, all over me. More on me than you somehow. I was farther away.
Do you know what kind of day I've had, babe?
I mean, if there's anything like this, I see.
Oh.
Are you still eating it?
Yeah. Never can get this clean. It says to puree it carefully.
Yeah, carefully. We didn't do the careful part.
I did. That's why I even asked for your assistance again. Here is the soup. It is pureed after it's sprayed all over us. Brantley's just playing at the table while Daddy finishes cooking the grilled cheeses. Really? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I also thought everybody opens bananas like that.
Here's Brantley's dinner. Homemade tomato soup, grilled cheese, blueberries, and then I'm gonna give him this applesauce for like dessert. It's cinnamon applesauce, but if I give it to him with his food, he won't eat. He'll eat that. So, here, baby. It's not too hot. Look, you dip it. Okay. It's Alex's food, and there's my food. Brantley ate so good. Like, he ate half of my grilled cheese and all of his grilled cheese and like the majority of his soup. I'm so impressed with you, little guy. I didn't think you would eat that good. You liked Mommy's tomato soup?
Ew.
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 Now you gotta go take a bath.
Papa. Dada. Dada. Mama.
You want Dada?
Dada.
Okay, baby.
Dada.
Dada.
Hey, Daddy's almost out of clean clothes with one of those soup all over. Don't get soup on it.
Dada.
You ready to get a bath?
Yeah.
So that is going to be a wrap for today's vlog. I have just got out of the shower, about to work on some YouTube stuff and spend a little time with Alec, and then I'm going to bed because I'm exhausted. So today was a very eventful day, and I'm excited to go back and look at the footage from today because it's been crazy. So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Alex peeking in on me, disturbing me. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.